Electrolysis. Electrolysis is the dissociation of an electrolyte into ions at the electrodes by the passage of electric current. Let us see how an electrolyte dissociates when electric current passes through it. Take a wide glass vessel containing a saturated solution of copper sulfate. The aqueous copper sulfate solution dissociates into copper ions and sulfate ions. The dissociation of copper sulfate solution, that is the electrolyte, is a reversible reaction. Introduce two copper electrodes into the electrolyte. The copper electrodes are connected to the terminals of a battery. The cathode is at a lower potential than the anode. Therefore, the positively charged copper ions, which are generally referred to as cations, move towards the cathode, whereas the negatively charged sulfate ions, that is anions, move towards the anode, which is at a higher potential. What exactly is happening at the electrodes? At the cathode, the copper ions get neutralized by the incoming electrons from the external circuit and copper gets deposited on the cathode. Whereas the sulfate ions react with copper to form copper sulfate. Due to the formation of copper sulfate, the concentration of the electrolyte remains the same. Device in which electrolysis is carried out is called a voltmeter or an electrolytic cell.